Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Easy Finance. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the crypto wallets that I find useful for me and maybe it is useful for you. So I'm going to be talking about my top 3 crypto wallets depending on my own experience and knowledge so far. So I'm going to be talking about these crypto wallets and how you can use them. So let's get started with today's video. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button, guys. And if you want more such videos talking about the financing and crypto, then consider subscribing to my channel because I will be uploading more such videos. Now, let's get straight with the main part. Now, there are so many different types of the crypto wallets out there, and there is a lot more confusing to think about which one is the best, which one is the most secure, which one is the most easy to get started with that, and which one is the most user-friendly. Now, when I was getting started with my own crypto journey, I came across many wallets and I was literally getting confused. So today I'm going to be covering my top 3, which I feel like it is my top 3. It may be or may not be for you, but I'm going to be talking about based on my own experience and knowledge about these crypto wallets. And also, guys, there is a big disclaimer. I'm not an expert, I'm not a crypto expert, or I'm not an expert in this area. I'm just sharing based on my own experience and knowledge so far, and so do take my advice with a grain of salt. So let's talk about the top 3 crypto wallets. The first crypto wallet that I see is the most popular and I find it more easy and convenient is the Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase. So let's talk about the Coinbase and what features does it have. Coinbase is a crypto wallet that can be utilized for purchasing, selling, transferring, as well as storing digital currency. It securely stores a wide range of digital assets in offline storage. This platform supports more than 100 countries. So it's one of the most popular crypto wallets. That's Coinbase. You can download that application on the Google Play Store or even on the iTunes as well. The features: you can buy and sell any digital currency and keep track of them in one place. It provides an application both for iOS and Android devices. You can schedule your currency trading on a daily, weekly, or a monthly basis. It stores your funds in a wallet for safety purposes. It's one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. So a little bit about talking about the Coinbase, and I'm going to leave all the links of these crypto wallets in the description box below. You can very well check it out. I'm going to leave all the links in the description, guys. So let's talk about what is their company and where it's based and all. So about the Coinbase, we are building the crypto economy, a more fair, accessible, efficient, and transparent financial system enabled by crypto. We started back in 2012. So customers around the world discover and begin their journey with crypto through Coinbase. Approximately 56 million verified users are there on the Coinbase, 8,000 institutions and 134,000 ecosystem partners in over 100 countries. So they have so many people, 56 million plus verified users, 330 quite massive, $223 billion assets on platform, 100 plus countries, 1,700 plus employees. So it's quite a big company. Earn the free crypto. You just need to, they have this courses, like they have a short courses on the related to the crypto on their platform, and when you're gonna watch these short crypto courses, you're gonna get free cryptocurrencies in exchange of watching them. Like they are actually educating them how to use the crypto, what is the cryptocurrencies and all, and while you are educating yourself, you can also earn free crypto by watching these videos. So this is all about the Coinbase. Now let's talk about the second one, that is the crypto.com. It's not basically a crypto.com website, it's an application, but it has a name as a crypto.com, which comes to our mind very initially like it would be a website, but no, it has a mobile application you can download from the Apple's Play Store or also from the Google Play Store. And growing crypto app, joined 10 million plus users buying and selling 100 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. So they have 10 million plus users. Spend with crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by earning up to 14% interest on your crypto assets. I'm going to leave this crypto.com website in the description box below, guys. And this was the first website I get started with selling the crypto and investing in the crypto. This was the first website I started with that. They have really highly secure system. I really like the aesthetic of their mobile application. Like it's quite simple, quite easy and convenient to get started with that. They have the different kinds of the Visa cards depending on whichever one you choose. So securely buy, sell, store, send and track, buy crypto at the true cost. So you can buy the different cryptocurrencies about over a year, and they have the different kinds of Visa cards. So depending on how much you are investing, you can get these Visa card, and along with that you're going to get the different perks like the Netflix or the Prime membership. You can even get some kind of discount on buying buying anything in the online space, like in the online shopping. So cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com, we are on a mission to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency. It's your basic right to control your money, data and identity. They have the 900 plus employees, 10 million plus users, 90 plus supported countries, 30 plus local communities. So it's the second largest, you can say, maybe not. Our mission begins with empowering users, and you can check out the people that have their on their team on their website. I'm gonna leave everything, the resources, everything in the description box below, guys. You can check it out. And also, guys, they have the NFTs on their platform, which is a new section they have started recently, and it's quite an amazing platform. I feel that crypto.com is much more secure. I started using it recently, and I feel like I don't have any issues with this platform. So I'm gonna leave the link of this mobile application as well as the website in the description box below, and also you can get some free cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to leave all the details of this free crypto and the website in the description. Now let's talk about the third website or the third platform or the third crypto wallet that I think is the most popular and it's secure. That is the Now Gemini is a fully regulated exchange. It helps you to legitimate cryptocurrencies worldwide. The exchange trades in the following cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, etc. The features: it's a simple, elegant and secure way to build Bitcoin and crypto portfolio. Discounts up to 0% for volume traders. Offer good security measures to trust for many investors. So I'm going to leave the link of this Gemini app in the description box below. It's an app you can download on the Google Play Store and the Apple iTunes as well. So you can get, when you're going to join Gemini with a friend's promo code, you'll both receive $10 Bitcoin off after you buy or sell $100. So if you are investing $100 and you're sharing that link, you can receive more $10 of worth of Bitcoin. So let's talk about So guys, if we actually go into the Gemini and see what is about this, the Gemini crypto is about giving you greater choice, independence and opportunity. We are here to help you on your journey. The 4 pillars of the Gemini: the product, security, licensing and the compliance. You can very well check out this website. I'm going to leave it in the description box below, and it's basically a mobile application. You need to get started with the mobile application. So awards and certifications: voted 2019 Market's Choice Awards Best Crypto Exchange, the world's first SOC 1 Type 1 and SOC 2 Type 2 certified crypto exchange, and custodian. So these are the few crypto exchange wallets that I see that's working well for me, and it's my on top 3 list. But do let me know in the comment section below, what are your best cryptocurrency wallet? I would really love to hear from you. That's it for today's video, guys. Is this video useful? Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.